Hey guys, welcome to Initiate Scientia, where science meets you. If you're new to this channel, then do press the subscribe button and also press the bell icon. This is the Java series. What is encapsulation? Encapsulation is one of the fundamental principles of object oriented programming. It is the process of binding or wrapping the data, that is variables, and the code, that is the methods, together as a single unit. It restricts the direct access to internal state of an object. Encapsulation promotes data security and prevents unintended interference. It is primarily used to achieve data hiding and ensure controlled access. It ensures sensitive data is hidden from users. To achieve this, we must declare class variables or attributes as private and provide public getters and setters method to access and update the value of a private variable. Next, key principles of encapsulation: data hiding, controlled access, improved code, increased flexibility, improves maintainability and modularity. First principle is data hiding. Keeps the class fields private to restrict the direct access. Provides controlled access via getter and setter methods. Controlled access. Use public methods like getters and setters to modify or retrieve the private fields. Improved code. Promotes code reusability. The same class can be used in different programs without modification. Increase flexibility. We can modify only the required part of the class without affecting other parts. Improves maintainability and modularity. Changes in one part of the code do not affect other parts. It's easy to debug and update. Rules for achieving encapsulation. Declare the variables as private to prevent direct access. Provide public getter and setter methods to allow controlled access. Use access modifiers properly. Private variables for data hiding. Public getters and setter methods for controlled access. Protected and default, used when required for package or subclass access. Implement validation logic inside setter methods when necessary. Encapsulation versus other object oriented programming concepts. OOPS concepts. So, the concept encapsulation definition: data is wrapped inside a class and access is controlled via methods. Abstraction is defined as it hides the implementation details and shows only the necessary parts. Inheritance concept: the definition is one class acquires properties of another class. Polymorphism is the concept. Definition: methods behave differently based on the object calling them. Real world example of encapsulation is a banking system. A bank account should have private details, example the account balance, and only allow controlled access via methods. Code: class bank account has the following details shown here. So, private double balance, then public bank account with the parameter double initial balance. If initial balance is greater than 0, then balance is initial balance. Then public double get balance returns the balance. Public void deposit double amount, if amount is greater than 0, balance is updated and deposited amount is printed, else invalid deposit amount. Public void withdraw double amount, if amount is greater than 0 and amount is less than or equal to balance, balance minus equal to amount, then you print withdrawn as amount, else print invalid withdrawal amount. Public class bank example: public static void main bank account is new bank account 1000, you are creating an object. Account dot deposit 500, you are calling the deposit function. Now it is greater than 500, so add it to the balance and show deposited is 500 as shown in the output here. And account dot withdraw. You're calling withdraw of 300 rupees, so it calls this function, and it shows this. If amount is greater than 0, 300 is greater than 0, and amount is less than or equal to balance. Balance is 500, 500. So withdrawn is 300. And current balance is account dot get balance. The balance is updated here. So is 200. Now the output is deposited 500, withdrawn 300, current balance is 1200.
More detailed written videos are coming in the Java series, upright from the next video similar to the data structures playlist. So keep watching. Hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get instant updates of the video that we post.